Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create error-free blog post with Grammarly AI. So I will just tab on it new document, and when it loads simply, and I will be just use the chat GPT to write a short blog on Bitcoin, and I will just tab to generate it, and let's see. So simply when it's done to complete this so simply I will just use the chat GPT to write a short blog on Bitcoin. So I will just copy it, and I will just simply copy it, and I will just put in Grammarly easily. And when you just paste it, and you will just set the goal from here. If your audience is journal, so you will just tap to journal. If your audience is knowledgeable or expert, so you will just select it your own. And from here is the formality, informal, natural, or formal. You will just select it also. And it is a premium version, you will just leave it. So the last is intent, so in there you will just tell them your audience it is a story or describe. So I will just select it describe and tap to done. And what gonna do, I will be just tab on it from right over here, right with generative, and I will just know that what do you want to do. So here are some ideas, so I want to just improve it. I will just tab on it simply, and let's see. So when it's complete, so you will just copy it from here, the all blog right over here, and you will just paste it any with your website or social media posts and contents. So in this way you can just create error free blog post with Grammarly AI. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.